We're searching the stars for a second Earth, but what we're finding is mostly hell. For decades, we've been dreaming of finding a world out there that's just like ours. But what we're actually finding is a rogues gallery of cosmic nightmares, each one worse than the last. So let's start our tour of these alien hells. First up, planets with literal oceans of lava. Okay, get this. One side is so hot, the rocks just vaporize, forming an atmosphere of stone. And then there's this one, a survivor. It actually flew through its own star and got stripped down. NASA calls it a Freddy Krueger-like burned world, basically a charred ghost of a planet. Yeah, its surface is a blistering 6,800 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of our sun. But crazy heat is just the start. Let's talk weather. How about rain made of metal? On this giant planet, the sunny side is so hot that iron just evaporates into the air. Then, crazy winds whip that iron vapor to the dark side, where it cools and rains down as metal. Now this one looks kind of like Earth, right? Pretty blue. But don't let that fool you. Those aren't clouds. It's molten glass whipped sideways by winds at 5,400 miles per hour. And check this out, the darkest planet ever found. It's literally blacker than a piece of coal. So what makes all these planets so awful? Well, you can usually blame their parent star. It's all about space weather. Basically, the star is constantly blasting its planets with energy. You can see it here. A star's energy is so intense, it just blows a planet's atmosphere right off. This happens through massive solar flares, powerful winds, and constant particle storms. It's relentless. Okay, but what about the habitable zone? You know, the sweet spot? Surely those planets are safe. Yeah, not so fast. Let's look at the TRAPPIST-1 system. This was supposed to be our best bet. And look at this. Even here, the star is just shredding the atmospheres of the closest planets. So you see the problem. Life needs things to be just right, but the universe, it prefers chaos. It's a pretty sobering thought, right? The cosmos is just way more full of hells than heavens. Which really makes you think, seeing all this cosmic hostility, just how lucky are we to have Earth?